Molweni, welcome back. New week, new series of news, new drama in the Madlanga Commission. Let us get it. Kwenzeke ntoni namhlanje as of today, the 13th of July 2026. So today, according to the schedule and the agenda of Madlanga Commission, they schedule bakuze uappearishe the head of IDEC, Mrs. Andrew Johnson, the Winnie Mandela walambutho ubomvu. But she couldn't make it to the venue, so akakwazanga ufikelela kwiMadlanga Commission ayoziphendulela. That's what we have heard from her legal representatives. Let us unpack it. Why ngakwazanga ufika? Please make sure you press that like button, you press that subscribe button, you press the notification button. Please press that subscribe button. Let us unpack it. So as of today, the 13th of July 2026, iMadlanga Commission bekufanele uba iva ubungqina from the head of IDEC, Miss Andrew Johnson, right? But akakwazanga ufika according to the reports from her legal representatives. She was unwell, bengazivi kakuhle ukuba ngakwazi uappearisha before the commission today, right? Then let's go back. Last week Friday, there were 4 witnesses who appeared before the Madlanga Commission. We had witness N, no witness O, and the previous and the retired colonels. The implicator the misconduct or the improper conduct of the head of IDEC, which is Andrew Johnson. Also, they were implicating, I remember witness O implicating one of the senior investigators from IDEC. So obvious, if every igama lakho liappearisha kwiMadlanga Commission, you are normally given an opportunity to come forward and explain yourself, provide your evidence. So kubantu bonke, Andrew Johnson naye, she was given that opportunity to come forward and explain herself based on the evidence that was provided by the other witnesses who were implicating her about the misconduct, about the improper conduct. Okay, sure, wavumuza kwakhona. She agreed, but no, there's no problem. I'll be there. Ndinguye ubani uWinnie Mandela, nzaba khona. Remember, wayeappearishile kwi-ad committee, zangagule, wayekhona. I-ad committee kulapho sayazi khona uba hayibu unguWinnie Mandela walambutho. Come now today, whereby kufuneka appearishe khona kwiMadlanga Commission, sibone nyhani ubuWinnie Mandela bakhe babuhamba phelele phi. But unfortunately, she couldn't make it. According to the reports, these reports from illegal representative yakhe, she was willing and able to provide the evidence. But endleleni yayo, on her way to the venue, that's whereby she started to feel unwell. Endleleni eya kwi-venue yeMadlanga Commission, that's whereby she started to feel unwell. Waziva exuxuzelwa sisisu, waziva enentloko engathi ibamba iyeka, waziva ingathi amadolo lana incindi yawo ayisabambi. Kwindlela eyayo kwivenyu eMadlanga, akutsho mna, kutsho i-legal representative yakhe, amagqwetha wakhe, uthi lo mntu ebesiza endleleni esiza kwivenyu. Uthe esiza njalo wasuke wagula, waziva isisu sakhe asikho right, isisu sexuxuzela, wava intloko engathi imphatha kakhulu, amadolo lana, incindi yamadolo yangathi iyasuka. Wafumanisa uba no, she must rush to see a doctor. That's whereby now ugqirha, no, you can't appear before the Madlanga Commission today, the 13th, today, even tomorrow, the 14th, even the 15th, awuzukwazi uappearisha. Utsho ugqirha. Into esiyivile namhlanje from the Madlanga Commission, kutsho ii-lawyers ngomlomo wazo, zithi no, akakwazanga ukuza, ebesiza yena but wagula esiza. Isisu sakhe kwabuhlungu isisu, kwabuhlungu intloko, yonke into yabuhlungu. And remember, Andrew Johnson, she's not the first witness who's coming with the same excuse not to appear. She's joining other witnesses who were supposed to appear, but they came up with this excuse yoba hayi ndiyagula, hayi andikho right, hayi ndidutyulwe emlenzeni. But ayidutyulwanga imoto yam yona ayina-nix, but ndidutyulwe emlenzeni ndidrayiva. Hey, asiyazi. We have uGerald Khan who was supposed to appear few days, I think few days before appearisha uGerald Khan kwiMadlanga. He was supposed to appear nge-1st, just few days before appearishe. Ebusuku, enzulu zobusuku, uthiwa uGerald Khan udutyulwe, but imoto ayina-nix and akazukwazi uappearisha. We have uNantsika was supposed to appear also naye, I think wavela kayi-1. We have what this businessman, Sulman Karim also naye was supposed to appear. I think wavela kayi-1 na following day funeka abuya again wathi hayi ndiyagula, uzukwazi uappearisha nentloko. So iMadlanga ijonge ngaloo nto uba ezinye ii-witnesses kwafuneka zivelile phambi kweMadlanga Commission zive zigule, zithi hayi ndiyagula, zisubmithe i-sick note that is questionable. Masimamele uba iyathini amagqwetha ka-Andrew Johnson when they are explaining the absence of Andrew Johnson.
I don't know what has happened.
This happened this morning.
This happened this morning as we were on the way to the venue. And then during the adjournment, only then were we able to get a sick note or a medical certificate from her doctor. But the client's representative were able to talk to the doctor shortly before we convened, before the adjournment we had this morning. And we were made to understand that she is with the doctor. She had some serious health-related issues that I'm not able to disclose in public, and that she is being attended to. The medical certificate in our possession indicates that she is not well, at least between today, the 13th of July, 2026, including the 15th of July, 2026. I do accept that this affects the conduct of the affairs of the Commission because the Commission had its own agenda, its own program for the week, but the circumstances.
Uzivele nansi ya. Amagqwetha athi uye wagula esiza endleleni, akutsho mna ngitsho amagqwetha wakhe. And iMadlanga, uJustice Madlanga, he was not impressed at all. He was not impressed about that sick note ka Andrew Johnson. And engekho impressed nje, uye watsho uba hayi le sick note le iyafana nezinye, just those useless sick notes ezingacacisiyo ithini into useless, ziyafana nezinye, of which now idelayisa iprocess yeMadlanga Commission, idelayisa umsebenzi wabo, idelela, by the way, idelela umsebenzi wabo as a commission. Le kuthiwa uye waxuzela sisisu, wagula, wanentloko esiza, hayi. And there's nothing confidential about this sick note, by the way. Njengoba besitsho magqula that hayi confidential, there's nothing confidential about this sick note. Iyafana nje nezinye i-sick notes ezi-baseless. That's what we've heard namhlanje from the Madlanga Commission. Mamela up, iyathini response ka-Justice Madlanga xa bonakalisa ungabikho happy kwakhe at all about the sick note that has been submitted by Andrew Johnson.
I noticed that this is one of those medical certificates, the nature of which I've previously said are useless, in the sense that they give no information whatsoever. It's not even a case of what Mr. Bojani said, which is confidentiality issues. It's just one of those useless so-called medical certificates.
Indeed, Chair.
But anyway, the bottom line is that Advocate Johnson is not here.
Indeed.
So nansi asiyazi ke iyawuphelela phi into as witness who seem not to be willing to appear before the Madlanga Commission. Lenyuka inani bayagula bonke, nokuba bagcwala esibhedlele bonke, I think bayi-4 ngoku. So I think awufuneka ngoku Madlanga Commission yenza icebo ayikwazi ubadibanisa pha esibhedlele, iyobabona pha esibhedlele, because ke they have to appear before the commission, because izitsholo abanazo zizitsholo ezikhulu kakhulu. And ke now it seems like it proves zonke ezi allegations ezazibekwa nguGeneral Mkhwanazi about the IDEC, about the conduct yenziwa i-IDEC. So ngendlela ekwenza ngayo ngoku, it proves exactly the allegations ezazibekwa nguGeneral Mkhwanazi. So asazi uba uyawuphela phi, sawudla ewinileyo not efileyo on this time. Asidli efileyo, sidla ewinileyo. So kuda maninginiki zindala zombini, General Mkhwanazi ne-IDEC ngapha. Sawubona uba zithini ziphelela phi. Thank you, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe and like.